Hello everyone, we are back at Leo Academy and today we are going for noise talks. This is an entertaining activity and that will boost the confidence of these students. So let's go on. Okay, now I will call one student at a time and I will going to disturb the person, the student, while he or she is talking. So this is a funny activity. Watch it, not seriously. Take it as a fun. Learn the way our student is speaking. So for the first round, I would like to call Soumya Pathak. Please clap for Soumya Pathak. Now Soumya, you are to tell about Varanasi. Okay? And meanwhile, I'm going to disturb you. Fine? So start your topic.
Okay, so Varanasi, as we all know, that is a very interesting as well as a spiritual place that people love to visit, not only just for seeing ghats or just for doing shopping and all, but they used to visit Varanasi for having a feeling that yes, Varanasi is a beautiful place with God spirit and God spirit. People feel that God is always in them and they used to go to visit the temples like Vishnath temple, Mahamrityunjay temple and Kal Bhairav temple.
Yes, of course, there are
And also not only temples, Varanasi being built up beautifully. People visit here and see how beautiful it has been structured, and people come here for visiting and for seeing for praying God, and a lot of tourists are nowadays arriving in Varanasi to see their what is the beauty of actually Varanasi is they are visiting Varanasi. In Varanasi they visit Subha Banaras saris and visiting temples. My house is particularly situated near.
Clap for Soumya. She performed well. Clap for Soumya. So Soumya Pathak has done a great job. She spoke continuously, and now I would like to call another participant before you all. Arpita ma'am is not ready.
I'm ready.
Yes, please clap for Arpita ma'am. Okay, now ma'am, your task is you are to speak about yourself.
Okay.
Start.
Good evening, everyone. I am Arpita Pathak.
Good evening. I don't.
Good evening, everyone. I am Arpita Pathak. I have completed my graduation from Agrasen Kanya Inter PG College, and I have also completed my post graduation from Agrasen. I like to eat golgappe, which is famous in Varanasi also, and I want to like to eat chole bhature. I like to eat dosa and everything. I like to eat, and I want to know everything in my life. I like to eat. I want to know about because when they are ready to learn, when they are learn something, I want to feel very happy because of that. I want to.
Great. Clap for Arpita.
Thank you.
Now, this is a war of words. Those who become silent will flop. So I would like to call another participant, and Nikita Upadhyay. Please clap for Nikita Upadhyay. So your topic is you are to tell us importance of friends. Are you comfortable with this topic?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So you may start now.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Nikita.
Good evening, everyone.
And our topic is the importance of friends. So as we know, friends are very much important in our life because there are many things in our life which we cannot talk with our parents
our family,
I
so
think
we
can
talk
each and
everything with our parents.
Parents are
So
our breadwinner. We can
like
discuss
the
everything
friends
with
are
our
gold
parents.
or diamond in
Our
our
friends.
life.
Friends are
Friends,
nothing.
if you have
Friends are
lot
nothing.
funny
How
that you
can-
do this and you
No,
solve
no,
all
no,
these
please,
problems.
Please tell me
So-
how can our friends
We
give a solution?
you have also lots
Look
of
at
friends.
me at least once.
You have also lots of friends in your
How
life
can?
which can help you. Aniket,
Distance, ये डर जाएगी.
whose name is Aniket. He is my best friend and I tell everything with him. And he is very much very funny guy in who always irritate me. He study in Lucknow. When he come in Varanasi, he meet with me. He brings cake for me in my birthday. Gift for me.
Why you are silent? You are to speak. Oh my God. You are to speak continuously.
So, and
Start now. And what?
friend,
what?
my friend is my mother also. I also tell everything with my mother that I do this thing, I do that thing. I tell everything with my mother and she understand me very well because she know me very well because she give birth to me. That's why I tell everything with my mom.
Stop. 1 second. Stop.
Again you are silent. Again you are silent. Okay. Clap for Nikita. So we are going to continue with this noise talk, and I would like to call Pragya Pandey. So clap for Pragya Pandey. Okay, Pragya, you are to speak about this institution, Leo Academy. Since you know it very well, so you are to speak about Leo Academy. Your time starts now.
Good evening, everyone. As we know that we all are here, we all are present.
Again, good evening.
We all are present here just for the English speaking, English learning. We know that the Leo Academy is very good for us. It gives us the opportunity to learn about the English learning, and because Leo Academy is since from the 2016,
you are listening, then you are telling my points.
sir is starting teaching from
This
the
is not
2016,
fair.
and sir is a very good teacher because of
No, I don't think I
sir
am a
and
good
because
teacher.
of
There
the
are many
Leo
teachers,
Academy we
there
know
are
about
many
how to
teachers.
speak
Are
as
you
well in
listening
English,
me?
how speak as well in
Are you
English.
listening me? Pragya. Okay, let's start again. Yes.
And we all know the full form of Leo is Lakshmi English Orbit.
Please
And
repeat again. Lakshmi
this
English
institution
Orbit.
is very good
Really?
for our English learning because of the Leo Academy. It gives us, and sir gives us the advantages of and
Which
many
kind of
opportunity to
Please tell our
play
audience which
many
kind of
opportunities just like public speaking, extempore
please
presentation,
tell-
and
please
flip
tell them,
talks.
the
There
watching
are
people,
1,000
are you a
plus
subscriber?
vocabs are there, and there English modals, sentences, their proverbs also there. Because of the English, we all are just talking about talking in proverbs.
My God, what you are saying?
There are many proverbs as because of the Leo Academy. Leo Academy is always gives us the opportunity, and Leo Academy is very helpful. There are many numbers of students are there. Before some years before, there are many branches of this also. Leo Academy just collabs with the collaboration with the success ladder. Success ladder and both success ladder and Leo Academy collabs with the success ladder, and it is also Leo Academy is just as good for us, and it is very helpful for us, and thank you.
Clap for Pragya. Clap. noise talk. It is noise talk. So you are to create a lot of disturbance, and the person here will speak continuously. So Pragya Pandey has spoken very good. Now I would like to call. So put your hand together for Aarti.
कोई सिंपल टॉपिक दीजिएगा ना जिस पे मैं ज़्यादा बोल पाऊँ.
So are you ready, Aarti?
Yes sir.
Fine.
With easy topic.
With easy topic, yes. Every time I'm giving easy topic. So your topic is you are to tell about the importance of schools in our life.
Okay.
Are you okay with this topic?
Okay sir.
Fine. Your time starts now.
Hello everyone, I'm Aarti Yadav and my topic is important of school. School are very important for us there because we go there and
Very important.
we go there.
Started laughing at the first time.
Please not कर.
laughing person in our
School is very important for us and it's very important for kids. It's school.
School.
Yes.
How kids? How kids?
Schools are very important for kids and us. We go there and learn many things. How to nowadays many schools are very smart.
This is not your mic. Hey, you have to speak.
Sorry sir. Start again sir.
It's starting here.
Good evening everyone. I am Aarti Yadav. Today topic is important of school. School is very important for us and many things we learn from there.
Actually, I
And
don't think
many teachers we
schools are
loved
very
of their peoples and when we go there and many things we learn from since childhood and
Since childhood what?
it's very important for our education life. It's a very important in our education life,
I actually know.
especially when a
do not
children
agree.
become
Colleges are very
day by day younger.
Schools are important.
It's a very important. They go.
Again, you are important. What important?
They went to the
What
school
is
and
important?
it's a schools and
I have
parents
not attended school. I have
parents
not
would
gone
like
in
to
school ever.
parents would like to be go there
Who, parents?
go there
Parents should like
kids
to
go and we
schools for study.
they learn very well
Parents
and
learn.
nowadays
What about kids? What
many
about
many kids are go there and learn everything.
kids?
They eat,
What
they
about-
learn
what
eat
about
and they
class
learn
9,
many
10,
things
11
from since childhood.
What since childhood?
हमसे नहीं होगा. आप बहुत परेशान कर रहे हैं. नहीं होगा.
Clap for Aarti. So after this funny incident after Aarti, I would like to call Vikas. Clap for Vikas. Vikas, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So your topic is Indian culture. Your time starts now.
So Indian culture is the most powerful culture because India has a different culture and many caste and many caste other
Caste?
other and
Which kind of caste?
and many
Many what?
many caste
Only caste live here.
lives in our country. So
People do not live, only caste
so
live.
different culture are mix are
Actually,
are powerful
one day
Indian
I
culture
thought
and many
Indians
culture
about
nation
Indian culture.
Western nation and Indian culture. So and many
not
culture.
as
So
good as
Indian
Western
culture have
culture. Am I right?
have many benefits. First of all, they have marriage and marriage have
Marriage in Indian culture. Wow.
marriage have
I
marriage have
want to remarry.
protect to
Would Indian culture allow me
to other
for remarry?
to other person and very powerful culture.
Would they allow me? Would they allow me for remarry?
So I could be
No,
Indian
actually,
culture Indian culture in our
what
culture.
Indian culture every time Indian culture. What is Indian culture? What is Indian culture?
Indian culture. So many
Many
other culture first of all they have
What first of all?
first of all they have marriage to marriage to and Western culture is not Chinese culture. Chinese culture is not culture. Western nation is Western nation is adopt our younger generation and younger generation to adopt to our culture and adopt to our culture and my culture is very high and my culture is very high very benefits and benefits so Indian culture has so family means one father and one mother and mothers so mothers are protective to her child and child to her protect to father and many have and so India have nation so African culture and so our Indian culture is brought to and Indian culture and they have Indian culture so they have and our Indian so I proud to be culture so proud to be culture and culture is not culture is not a culture is our habit to is our habit to adopt Indian culture to giving the other people if you belong for other people I belong to any Indian culture
You have spoken well. Now I would like to call Mr. Aman Ahmed. So please put your hand together for Aman Ahmed. So are you ready, Aman?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Fine. So your topic is Eid. You are to talk about Eid. What you do on Eid and why Eid is celebrated. So you time start now. Fine.
Good evening, everyone. My topic is Eid. Eid very very.
Eid is holy festival.
Eid is holy festival.
You can speak. I am here for you. Actually, Aman needs a translator. Aman needs a translator who can come here to translate Aman's Hindi sentence in English.
Miss Soumya and Miss Pragya.
Audience, please. You are to speak in Hindi, she will translate. Fine?
Okay, sir. Try.
So here we have Soumya again. She is now a translator of Aman. Aman will speak in Hindi. Yes?
Yes, sir.
And Soumya will translate. So your time starts.
सर किस टॉपिक पर ईद पर ना
Topic is same.
टॉपिक इज सेम हिंदी में करना है
Yes.
ईद प्यार त्यौहार है
Eid is a festival of love.
हर लोग खुशी मनाते हैं
Eid,
हम
on
नहीं
Eid,
मना पाते हैं
everyone is very happy.
लोग खुशी ना मना उससे हमसे क्या मतलब
अरे ऐसा कैसे मतलब नहीं है
People may celebrate Eid or not. That is not in. I'm not interested in knowing that.
ईद वेरी हैप्पी फेस्टिवल
Eid is very happy festival. You already translated it.
Again you are translating. Eid is happy festival. Say something more. Say something more about it.
You have not to distracted. You have to talk to me, not to sir.
सिर्फ आप उनको इनसे बात करनी है ईद के बारे में आप जो भी जानते हैं इनको बताइए है ना आपको मुझे नहीं सुनना है
यस ओके
Fine.
सर पहले इसको कट कर लीजिए
ना वो हो जाएगा
हो जाएगा तो स्टार्ट
हाँ स्टार्ट करिए
ईद प्यार त्यौहार है
Eid is a festival of love.
ईद सब कोई मनाता है ईद
Everyone celebrates Eid.
हम एक्चुअली आई whenever Eid comes Why are you getting disturbed? We have another contestant, Muskan Jaiswal. Jaiswal, am I right? Okay. Yes, she is confused even now. Muskan Verma. So please put your hands together for Muskan Verma. So are you ready, Muskan?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So your topic for today is enjoyment of shopping for girls.
Okay.
Are you okay with this topic?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Your time starts now.
My name is Muskan Verma and my topic is enjoyment of shopping. So as we all know, what is the meaning of shopping? Buy things, buy items, buy stuffs for us, for our family, for our relations, relatives.
Do you
And
like shopping?
Means shopping is matter much in girls' life because
first thing
we
is,
find happiness
you
in doing
like
shopping.
shopping.
Like
I don't like
go to shops, malls, and
everybody
new shops
likes
to
to shop?
explore things.
Only
Because already girls have to use many things. We have
at
clothes,
malls.
we have hair, we have nails. So we have to use many products.
Which
from
kind of products do you want
from
to
many
use?
shops. We have to check the qualities, and that is why we have to explore more products
online
from
shopping,
various
how can
shops. And that is why it gives us more pleasure. And
Pleasure
when
for
it comes
shopping,
to
pleasure for
our
Muskan, go back. Yes, continue. Please continue.
when we go for shopping for us, it is very good when we go for shopping for us, it does not mean that we are exploring only ourselves. We are exploring the place, we are exploring the person there who gives us product for our relatives and family. And that is why that is why we have to use many products, and we are desperate, and we are desperate to use many products, and there are lots of products available in the market in offline mode as well as in offline mode. And as the use of social media increasing, using by other girls, they give us the beauty and the pleasure for the girls, and that is why we have to go
Look at her face, sir.
for. Oh my God.
You have done a great job. And I would like to call him Mr. Om Jaiswal. Please clap for him. Mr. Om, are you ready?
Yes.
Fine. Your topic is theatre and movies.
No, not bad. So,
Time starts now.
good evening everyone. Hello and welcome करने लगे थे हम. Hello everyone. This is Om Jaiswal, and today's my topic is theatre and theatre and movies. So, as we all know that at that time what movies going on like Pathans and like Bahubali and and Pathan. If you seen, he is a very, if you see Bahubali or Pathan and like that types of movies, it contribute tax as well. So please sir, don't disturb me like that, and please complete my topic. Yes, if I talk about theatre, so theatre is a very big thing, which is not about theatre. I'm talking about theatering, which we are doing natak as well, natak as play. So there are many things in that. It is such a big topic. What is theatre? What I know about theatre, there is a Bharat Muni who wrote the fifth. Bharat Muni has wrote fifth Vedas, which is named by Natya Shastra, and Natya Shastra is a very big Hollywood theatre. And if we talk about movie, so movie is a very so if I talk about movie, if I talk about movie, So movie.
Again, you have to tell about movies.
At that time, it is the theater. There are now there are many writer and there are many writer who wrote very good plays. That if I talk about Avigyan Shakuntalam is a very big and that Avigyan Shakuntalam is a very big play. It is very, oh my God, please sir, please बोल लेने दीजिए हमें, please बोल तो लेने दीजिए. So now thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes.
You have spoken very well.
Not sir, no sir.
Thanks your audience to watch you.
Thanks to you all. To हम लोग को झेलने को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में? To suffer with suffering we all, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you. Keep going on.
Thank you everyone.